Introducing the NAVAN PET bottle filling machine, designed for precision, efficiency, and extended shelf life. Equipped with advanced proportional membrane valves and liquid level floating control, it minimizes foaming and keeps filling accuracy within plus or minus 2 millimeters, reducing liquid loss by up to 2.5%. The 3-in-1 system integrates bottle washing, filling, and capping into one compact design, ensuring hygienic operation, stable performance, and full automation. With PLC-controlled air cylinder valves, adapted from KHS technology, and an automatic CIP cleaning system, it ensures both high performance and cleaning efficiency. With a capacity from 800 to 22,000 bottles per hour, NAVAN PET bottle filling machine is the smart choice for modern beverage production. Upgrade your beverage line with NAVAN. Contact us today to learn more.